Welcome back, guys. In this video, we will try to expose Visualforce page via custom action on Classic Salesforce Cloud. So, if we're back to our org and continue our work on Visualforce page, we will have to go to the setup section, as you already are familiar with. Look for Visualforce pages. Let's create a new one. This time we will call we will just say custom Visualforce page on as action. So let's save that part. Something here we will just display. I will just check the text, change the text to custom Visualforce page as a custom action. This is your custom action. Let's save that. Let's make sure everything is correct, no syntax errors. Okay, the name only contains underscore alphabetical. Okay, so we cannot have a space on API name. Let's check that now. Let's try to save this. Okay. Alphanumeric characters. Alright, let's change this. Custom action Visualforce page. Let's see. And then let's make this undercase. Let's save it now. Okay, it's good to go. Perfect. Oh, actually, guys, we forgot something else. We need to make sure it's exposed and visible for our section. So for that, you will need to type in this component as standard controller, and then here you will, since we're displaying this custom action on account, that's why we have to type account standard controller. Okay, so if you're familiar with the concept of model view controller, so this is where the controller part gets executed. Let's save that. Now we are going to the object manager, looking for the account object, and that's where we will be creating a new action, right? So we have an option to create a button or action. This time I'm showing you how to create an action. Let's click that. Here, this is the concept, what you want to do with the action, right? We have a couple functionalities or things, but this time I want to make sure I open a custom Visualforce. And then this custom Visualforce, you can see it automatically has two options. The one which I'm looking for is a custom action, right? The one which I just created. So the height 215 pixels. It's fine. Let's keep that way. Label will be custom Visualforce action. Name, description, change the icon. Let's save that on default. Okay, cool. So we created a custom action. Okay, good. Now we want to display this on our page layout. So for that, let's go to the page layout. The one which I'm using is account layout. And if you look for quick actions, mobile acting action, let's see custom links. So the one which we're looking, it should be a action. Let's say it's custom Visualforce action, right? Let's drag and drop it right here. As you can see, you can utilize this for Salesforce Classic Publisher. It's not going to be available for Lightning, right? As you can see, let's double check. Nope. Custom visual for action. Only available for Classic Publisher, correct? All right, that's what we want to do, which is fine. Let's make sure we save this. And to test it, we actually have to go to the classic version of Salesforce. Currently, we're in the Lightning. Just as an example to show you that, if I go to Sales app, the one which I'm looking is Accounts. Let's go to any section. It's not available here, as you can see, but we can switch to the Classic, right? And for that, you have to click to the right top corner, switch to the Classic. And then here, we are looking for, we're on the home page. Right now, we need to go for Accounts. And then let's click one of our accounts that currently existing, Oil and Gas Corp. And you can see our custom Visualforce action just got displayed right here. And then you actually can see it. See, you can switch from here to here, or custom Visualforce action. Well, this is very useful for organizations who are still utilizing Salesforce Classic, but that's how you display the Visualforce with, I mean, they already know, right? A lot of old organizations will be using Visualforce pages, and then they're trying to transition to Lightning components. So, well, I hope it's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. I will see you guys in the next one.